guys, today I'm going to walk you through my entire evening routine from the time I leave work until Riley goes to sleep. Being a mom is not easy by any means, regardless if you're a working mom like myself or a stay-at-home mom. So I hope you find this video to be helpful and possibly get some ideas that you can incorporate into your night routine with your little ones. If this is your first time here and you enjoy lifestyle and cleaning motivation, please consider subscribing before you leave. So once I get off at 4:30, I head over to my in-laws' house to go pick up Riley, and then we head immediately home. We do feed her around 6 o'clock, so depending on traffic, I might have just enough time to pop some nuggets into the oven and get dinner on the plate for her. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, you know that I have an extremely picky eater, and for the most part, the only things she eats are chicken nuggets, strawberries, french fries, mashed potatoes, but I do try and put something different on her plate every single day in hopes that she will eat it.
All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you, coming to get you.
So after going back and forth with her for a little bit, we headed into the family room for a little bit of playtime. She absolutely loves playing pretend with food and Play-Doh and things like that. And she did eventually eat her dinner, but we found that she really likes more of a relaxed type of dinner. So we put food on her little table and she finally did eat. Once we were finished playing in the family room, I decided that I wanted to do a little like painting with her. She absolutely loves painting, and I figured this would be a really nice fall kind of activity to do right before bath time.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you.
About 10 to 8, we head upstairs for bath time, and this particular day I needed to wash her hair, which it can be a bit of a struggle, but she is getting better at it and more used to me doing it. I do have a complete video on her hair care routine, so I'll have that linked in the cards as well as down in the description bar for you guys.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
Once we were finished with bath time, we then headed into her room where we had the lights dim and her sound machine is on, just to let her know that we are winding down for bed. Riley does also suffer from eczema, so I basically give her a nice massage at the end of every day with some Aquaphor lotion. It's like this very creamy Vaseline-like lotion that has really helped. So that's basically what you see me doing here. Then I'm going to add a little bit of products into her hair and then put it into a ponytail and let that dry overnight. And then in the morning before heading off to work, I will then do her hair and style it.
Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
So it's been pretty hot in New Jersey. Tomorrow's supposed to be about 90 degrees, so that's the reason why she's not wearing a long sleeve pajama. But we always finish up with books and singing. Singing is definitely one of her favorite things to do right now until it's time for bed, which is roughly about 8:30. We give her a bottle, put her in the crib, and that's about it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.